Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create, edit and update table of contents in your Google Doc. So first you need to have your document typed here, and you will need to choose what headings and subheadings your document have. I just generated random text with ChatGPT to show you how it works. So first we need to put styles for our headings, like here. This is heading 1, this is heading 2, and this is heading 3, for example. Your document can be more simpler, just have just headings 1. It's okay. Whenever you want your document look like, you can create table of contents for any type of document. So just put the headings and we'll see how it works. So just another one, and okay. Now we need to go to insert, table of contents, and choose how would you like to see it. Just links, page numbers, or page numbers with dots. We can just choose links. As you can see, we have our table of contents auto-created. Also, Google Docs now have document tabs, so you can create chapters for your document. Each tab can represent each chapter for easier navigation. So also you can see all headings here. You can see heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 1, heading 2, like we created. So if you want to make some updates, for example, you can add here some text. You can also add more headings if you need. How to add those headings here? You simply click on this update function and you'll see updated version of your headings and subheadings in table of contents. Also, you can edit all options. How does this look? You can choose the format of your table of contents here. You can also change it to lines, for example, or to the dots. You can hide all the page numbers. Also, you can include headings or subheadings and leave just what you need. Also here you can make those texts indents if you need to format to make these changes in your table of contents and make it look like you want. So here all will be zeros, so in one line. It's all options you can change here. So whenever you want to update, just update the text, update the table of contents, and all the changes will be applied automatically. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me in comments. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day.